Hey guys, welcome back. We're at our field day right now. I'm Cameron. This is Emma right here. Yeah, it's real refreshing, real cool.
We're having a lot of fun.
Oh, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
You and my friend skateboarding boy. Hallelujah!
Ah!